Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your location on Hinge. Whether you're moving to a new city, traveling, or just want to adjust your location, I'll show you exactly how to update it on your profile. So let's get started. First, open the Hinge app on your mobile phone. Once you're in the app, head over to profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then go ahead and tap on edit profile. Then scroll down until you see location. Then tap on location. You can zoom in and out on the map. Go ahead and choose the new location you want to update. And after you're done, tap on the arrow on the top left corner of your screen. And that's it. Your new location has been updated to your profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.